So at this point of the semester, you have completed your audience analysis. So you have an idea of who your audience is. You have chosen a topic, one that is socially relevant, and you have done all the steps to find that. And you've also started identifying some sources in the weeks leading up to this. So this week's scaffolding assignment for the informative speech is going to be your prospectus. So think of this as it's a one-page proposal just to tell me what you're doing, what is your topic, why is it socially relevant, explain what the process or problem that your topic covers, and why is it important at this time today. Then I want you to include some guiding questions that made you want to choose this topic. You also want to make sure how we talked about when choosing a topic, you're going to have that overarching topic and then you lower it down to that bottom line. So tell me why you can address this question in 4 to 5 minutes, why it would be good for this particular assignment. I also want you to include 2 preliminary sources that support your questions at this time. Again, you don't have to use these preliminary sources if you change your mind. You're not held to them. But by this point in the process, you should have your topic pretty much narrowed down, and it'll be less work for you in the long run if you do end up using these sources as well. You're going to give me what is your working thesis. Your thesis should be 1 sentence, and it should tell me exactly what your purpose is. What is your purpose for this? It's to inform, and what the topic is. And then finally, what do you know about your audience at this time, and how do you plan to adapt your speech to them? We all know who our audience is. It's going to be your classmates and peers for this. So tell me what you know about them and why your topic is relevant towards them. Again, just to recap, this should be about 1 page, double-spaced. And I just want you to cover all of these points in your prospectus. And then the last thing we'll be talking about for this assignment, aside from the speech, is going to be your outline, which will help you get some of the nitty-gritty. But a lot of the writing from this, you should be able to take from some of your previous assignments. You're not reinventing the wheel here. You're just bringing together all of the work you've already done into this prospectus. Let me know if you have any questions on this.